And let me thank you once again for watching this video. By God's grace, my name is Nwabueze Carlos Chukwemeka. I am the CEO and owner of Interbiz World eConsult. I run a website design and domain registration company. I am also into importation business and I own a host of other online and offline properties. Now back to the reason why you're on this page. I promise that I'll be showing you a live video of my account of how I earned $7,084, which is about 1,168,860 naira in Nigerian currency. Now let's hurry over to my account. Here is my account here now. Let me quickly hurry over to revenues. If you check, you see that I've earned inside this account. I've earned about $1,136. Now let me quickly hurry over to revenues and show you the total of what I've earned in 3 months using this account. It's loading now. Okay, here it is now. Take a very good look at this figure here now. You see that I've earned $7,104 inside this particular account now, and I've withdrawn about $6,623. If you multiply this $7,104 by 165 Nigeria exchange rate, let's do the calculation. $7,104 multiplied by 165, that will give us 1,172,160 naira. So that's to tell you how profitable Fiverr is. You can make a lot of money on Fiverr. You can actually become self-employed and independent. You can become financially independent. That's what I promise to teach you at this training. If you really want to know the true secret of how I make money online, I'm imploring you to register for this training. Thank you.